Hello everyone, welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Bodhapur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. I hope you all are doing well. So let's get started with today's news headlines dated 12th of March 2021. In the description box below, we have provided the link for e-paper. You can download it from there, and also please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. So the first news for today is plan to create Northeast Water Resources Authority. A news to government Assam or Northeaster karne ki korise iman homoyat as far as flood, erosion and also international border sealing is concerned. Tar bikhoye kowa hoise Northeast Water Resource Authority eta create korar planning choli ase to find a permanent solution to the problem of flood. Ami janwe Assam has a vast network of river, and because of it, it is very it is way more prone to natural disasters like flood and erosion, and which in turn has a negative impact on the overall development of the state. Brahmaputra aru Barak river duta important river hoy, aru these two rivers, they have as many as more than 50 number of tributaries feeding them. Okay, and because of that, it creates quite a devastation during the monsoon period each year. Okay, and Ohomor jitu floodor problem hoy, flood and erosion or jitu problem hoy, it is quite different from other states because of the duration of flood and the magnitude of erosion which is caused, and also the most it is quite unique in the entire country because of this large number of tributaries and the geographical area of Assam. Hetur karne jitu flood and disaster erosion hoy, hetue prottek bosore bahut beshi khoti kore, aru ami ek bosoror jitu devastation hoy hetur pora uthi pelai ahibo longte next monsoon period to hit kori dia amak, and as a result ako ami piswai jabologia hoy, right? Hetu problemor eta solution uliwar kotha yate discuss korise Northeast Water Resource Authority create kori pelai. Tar logote sealing of international border or jitu Bangladeshor logot amar infiltration or problem hoy ase, illegal immigration or problem jitu ami face kori aso, hetu amar problem solve koribor karne tar solution bisari war karne sealing of international border eta important priority hisabe center e hatot loise. In addition to that, the 15th Finance Commission, they have recommended that erosion should also be treated as a natural calamity. Flood and erosion together creates havoc on Assam, and because of that, erosion should also be concerned, is a matter of concern, and it should also be treated as a natural calamity. Buli 15th Finance Commission recommend korise. Along with it, National Disaster Response jitu fund thake NDRF, teoluke koise je state teolukor pora fund receive koribo not only to deal with flood and erosion but also to provide relief to those people who are affected during the erosion period, during the flood and erosion. Okay, hekhini jikhini pirito population thakibo teolukeu funds pabo, teolukor namoto fund ahibo, state receive koribo from NDRF. Second jitu news hoise, it is about the secretive drug sale ba jitu circulation of drug dekha jai Northeast India states or pra from foreign countries, neighboring foreign countries, and through Northeast India they get the way to the other states of India as well. Etur bikhoye a vicious jitu cycle eta ase jitur karone Manipur, Mizoram enekwa northeastern states bilakot drugs ahe from the neighboring countries of like Myanmar, and tar pora teolok Guwahati leke shift hoy, and Guwahati pora they finally gets transported to the other states, and tar pora internationally tar pora ako onyo bahira dekholekeu transfer hoy. Heroin smuggling hoy, opium smuggling hoy, enekwa dhoroner dangerous drugs jiburor mane sikar bibhinno age group or manu hoy, especially those who are like adolescent, and also yar eta percentage high hoy in those population jot educated manuar population to alaman kom, educated manuar percentage to alaman kom. Definitely jodi awareness na thake, jodi manhue hekhini kotha gom na pai je water da pros and cons, generally gutehini disadvantage thake, nothing is advantageous about drug consumption or alcohols, right? So ebilakor kotha jone na jane teolukor majot circulation besi hoy, gom nupua ke teoluk addicted besi hoi jay. And it most disturbing thing jetu etia hoise, that is it's easily available. Okay, it's available and it is so common among youth and teenagers. Amar social economic jetu environment hoy, that is like polluted because of this particular thing, drugs along with other other additives, right? Our Northeast India development or karne we will have to engage ourselves in maintaining a good relation, foreign relation with the neighboring countries, right? But this is seen as a double-edged sword. Double-edged sword ekarne because on one hand it is providing us development, okay, it is providing us a good market for trade and commerce, investment or eta bhal area hoy, but on the other hand a jetu drugs, arms and ammunitions illegally jetu transport hoy, etu eta bahut dangor danger hoy, etu eta bahut dangor concern hoy amar karone. Aru yat special reference ami anibo paru golden triangle aru golden crescent or hetur picture khon next slide ot moi apnalokok dekhai dim. Indiar jetu security strategy hoy, amar Indiar foreign countries or logot jetu security strategy thake, hetur karone different countries or logot connectivity boost koribor karone economic corridors kisuman develop korar cinta India korise. And tate in order to make this in order to flourish and materialize these ideas, we need to have we need to confirm one thing, we need to make sure one thing, that there is tight security and anti-drug control measures should be taken, okay? Aru yar concern not yar logote ami eta particular actor kotha action plan etar kotha ami kobo paru, which is the anti-drug action plan for the year 2021. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking Annual Drug Action Plan 2021 eta launch kora hoisile by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. A plan to include hoy thake awareness among the generations, okay, identification of the drug dependent population jetu khube dorkar, we must identify and then act upon that targeted population, right? Capacity building for service providers to curb drug abuse and alcoholism, right? Hetu ase tar drug abuse or substance abuse jetu ami use hoi thake, heroin hok, morphine hok, opium hok, ei gute khini beleg dhornor jetu types thake, tar source to kuntu hoy and kot goi pelai finally hetu কিনা গৈছে, ক'ত গৈ পেলাই ফাইনালি হেতু তাৰ পৰা বেলেগ জাগালে ট্ৰান্সপোৰ্ট হৈছে, সেই জাগাটো ট্ৰেস কৰাটো ইয়াৰ এটা এইমত ইনক্লুড হৈ আছে। নেক্সট আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাইছে the countries which are related to Golden Crescent and the countries which are related to Golden Triangle. দুটাৰ থ্ৰু দিয়ে illegal drug transportation হয়, opium, heroin, morphine এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ drugs কিছুমান সাপ্লাই কৰা হয়, স্মাগলিং হয় এইবিলাক ড্ৰাগছৰ, আৰু ইয়াৰ লগতে আৰ্মছ illegally arms and drugs are smuggling hoy. Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan, these are the countries which are related to Golden Crescent, because ei tinikhon country mili pelai geographically ei tinikhon countries etia apunaloke mane sai tetia they forms a crescent formation, and yar through the northwestern jitu boundary hoy India tar pinor pra opium ba jikono beleg drugs supply kora hoy illegally, and ifale Golden Triangle Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos ekekhon country mili pelai northeastern states of Manipur and Mizoram first talle ahe, tar pora Guwahati le ahe, and then after reaching Guwahati they are transported to various parts of India, and tar pora ako beleg foreign countries ollakeo gusi jay. Okay, so these particular terms are important from prelims as well as mains point of view. Okay, and as I discussed in the previous slide, these action plans have been formulated. Tar logote kintu individually amar kisman daitto thake. Since we are a social being, so we have some responsibilities towards our society. We cannot just close our eyes and stop. I mean, we just cannot close our eyes and act as deaf and dumb people when it comes to these kind of social crimes. Karon drug addiction aru alcoholism, ei duta addiction enekwa hoy je knowingly unknowingly ami manhok dekhi asu people consuming alcohol in and around us. Drug addiction kisman jagat kisman herit manhoe dekhao pai kintu holeo teoluke নেদেখা ভাউজুৰে এনেকে ভাবি থাকে যে আমাৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহ নাই এণ্ড আমাৰ কোনো জানা ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ বা ৰিলেটিভছ ইনভলভ নহয়, চ' সেইকাৰণে উই শুড নট গেট ইনভলভ ইন অল দিছ কাইণ্ড অফ থিংছ, বিকজ ইয়াতে ইনভলভ হ'লে তাৰে যিটো পৰিণাম হ'ব সেইটো সিমান এটা ভাল নহ'ব, উইচ ইজ ট্ৰু টু চাম এক্সটেণ্ট। বাট এট দ্য ছেইম টাইম আমি যদি এইবিলাক এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ক্ৰাইমছ আমি দেখিও নেদেখা ভাউজুৰো এইবিলাক শেষ হৈ নাযায়, ইয়াৰ এইটো সলিউশ্যন নহয়। Right, we have to take necessary strict steps whenever we see people getting involved in such activities. Teoluke belegok influence koribo pare further, right? Adolescent jikhini students thake, jikhini lora sali thake, teolukor birat besi vulnerable hoy enekwa dhoroner exposures ok loi pele, because they have this kind of মেণ্টেল তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো থিংকিং প্ৰচেছ সেইটোৱে তেনেকুৱা, যিটো কাম মানা কৰা হয় সেইটো কামলৈ তেওঁলোকৰ মন বেছি, তেওঁলোকৰ সেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কামবিলাকলৈ তেওঁলোকৰ মনটো বেছি মানে ইচ্ছা তেওঁলোকৰ বেছি যায় সেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কামত। চ' সেইকাৰণে এইবিলাক বস্তু আমি নিজেও এটা পাৰ্চনেল লেভেল ছ'চিয়েল লেভেলো আমি এইটোত কাম কৰিব লাগিব। অকল চেণ্ট্ৰেলি বা গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে যে সেইটোত একশ্যন ল'ব তেনেকুৱা নহয়। যদি আপোনালোকে নিজৰ ওচৰত কাৰোবাক দেখিছে, প্লিজ ডোণ্ট এণ্টাৰটেইন ছাচ পিপল, অ'কে। বাট হেভিং ছেড ডেট, ইট ডাজ নট মিন কে আপোনালোকে তেওঁলোকৰ কেৰেক্টাৰ ফ্ল থাকা বুলি তেওঁলোকক তেনেকে ট্ৰিট কৰিব। দিছ ইজ নট সামথিং উইচ শুড বি ট্ৰিটেড এজ আ character flaw, okay? It is an ailment that any person can struggle with, right? That person, that individual can be anybody. He can be a well educated person, but still because of certain conditions he might have faced, he might got exposed to that particular thing and now he is a addicted person, right? So hey karone enekwa dhoroner social stigma jibur thake hebur ami otorabo laibo। drug taking individuals ok jikhini help lage hekhini ami provide koribo laibo। social awareness aru voluntary actions kismanu ami lobo lagibo। medical help, psychological help ekhini dorkar, and most importantly a strong family support is also a key to keep oneself physically as well as mentally healthy. Next jito news hoy, it's on IR code. Labor ami janu je it falls on the concurrent list of the Indian Constitution. Concurrent list jito list 3 of Indian Constitution hoy jo 52 ta items ase, and it comes under the 7th schedule. Aru yate apunar state aru center dutare power থাকে, দুটাই সিলেক্টিভ মানে দুটাই মিলি পেলাই এইটো পাৱাৰ এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰিব পাৰে ইন দ্য আইটেমছ উইচ আৰ লিষ্টেড ইন কনকাৰেণ্ট লিষ্ট, ৰাইট? ৰিচেণ্টলি পাৰ্লিমেণ্ট পাছড দ্য 3 লেবাৰ কোডছ, সেইটো আমি জানোৱেই, এণ্ড সেইকেইটাৰ নাম হৈছে ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল ৰিলেশ্যন, IR কোড যিটোৰ বিষয়ে এই নিউজটোত কোৱা হৈছে, দেন অকুপেশ্যনেল ছেফটি, হেল্থ এণ্ড ৱৰ্কিং কণ্ডিশ্যন, এণ্ড থাৰ্ডলি ছ'চিয়েল ছিকিউৰিটি। এইকেইটা ইন্ট্ৰডিউচ এইকাৰণে কৰা হৈছিলে so that they can simplify the country's labor laws, okay, and give economic boost to the economic activity without compromising on the workers' benefits, right? And this, along with the Code on Wages Act of 2019, they can significantly ease the conduct of business by amalgamating central and state laws on labor. এই তিনটাৰ ভিতৰত তিনটা প্ৰপ'জালৰ ভিতৰত আমি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল ৰিলেশ্যনছ কোড বিল 2020 হেতুৱে ডিসকাস কৰা হেতুৱে মেনশন কৰা হৈছে ইয়াতে আৰু হেতুৱে অলপমান আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম এই কোডটোৰ কিছুমান aspects আছে যিবোৰ হৈছে provisions for making it easier for the companies to hire and fire workers okay second hoise je jikunu factory workers bilake strike joar minimum 14 days agote teolukok janabo lagibo okay etu till before this only workers in public utility services were required to give such notices right to hold strikes but etia all the workers in factories will have to give a notice at least 14 days in advance to the employers if they want to go on a strike tarupori grievance redressal committee development or kotha koa hoise for obviously grievance redressal hole these are to resolve the disputes arising among the employees right and fourthly I mean eta code propose kora ei code to ako eta proposal dise of setting up of reskilling fund to help the workers you know polish their skills right so these labor codes have benefits as well as certain concerns for the working like population right yar bitorat jikita benefits hoise that includes consolidation and simplification of laws because center or kisuman bahut purana as old as 17 years right 17 years old kisuman central laws bilak consolidate kori pelai ei tinta labor codes for labor laws uliwa hoise okay this they have this thought of that this particular labor codes these laws will provide a big boost to the industry and employment and it will also reduce the multiplicity of definition and authority for business second to hoise easily dispute bilak resolve koribo para jabo okay jihetu industrial disputes bilak ami janui they can like they can really take a very dirty turn right so ekarne ei codes bilak simplify korar war karone teoloke etu bhabise je dispute resolution to hohay hobo along with it single licensing mechanism okay these codes will be providing single licensing mechanism aru he karone industries have to apply for license under different laws right now so a particular single licensing mechanism to under teoloke eta jagat goi pelai nijor license kini karone apply korile hoi jabo ease of doing business will also improve right ekhini to benefits hoy yar logote kisuman concerns ase aru hey concern kini hoise prime concern to hoise the liberty provided to the industrial establishment to hire and fire employees at their own will a particular point to karne working professional jikhini workers ase jikhini factory কাম কৰে তেওঁলোক বহুত বেছি চিন্তিত হৈ গৈছে কাৰণ জব সিকিউৰিটি নোহোৱা হৈ যাব বুলি তেওঁলোকে ভাবিছে then free hands to the states of বহুতখিনি right দি দিয়া হৈছে by the center and that's why center is facing a lot of criticism these days because they have given a free hand to exempt laws in violation of labor rights kintu yar eta protyuttorat amar union minister e koise je since labor comes in the concurrent list okay it is entitled under the concurrent list so he karone a particular code state or madhyar homane right ase by law right by constitution a list ke khon provide korise aru he third list jihetu labor include hoy ase they will share so these particular items which are mentioned in the third list their powers will be shared by both the union as well as the states and tar next unto concern hoise affecting of industrial peace because a 14 din agote jitu notice dibologia hoy if they want to go on a strike so hetur karone keteba eniko hobo pare je agot notice to DDR logote eniko solutions kisuman uliai dibo pare industries bilake that can be like those are like pseudo solutions they will not solve the problem but they will have show this picture that they are solving the problem of the workers right so ebur concern dangi dhora hoise and new labor code jodi it helps in increasing the pace of generating good quality jobs then it is obviously that that can't be like any better way for our country, right? Economic COVID-19 or pisot recovery, economic recovery karne jodi etu help kore, obviously that will be a boon for us, but at the same time it should not harm the work life of those people, like working class of the industries and factories. Next we have the questions. Today we have provided all the questions from the mains perspective. Please try and answer these questions, and the word limit should be 250 words because that is the limit for all the exams, right? Question number 1 is, discuss how recently passed labor codes can have a transformative impact on labor empowerment in India. Also discuss the challenges associated with the codes. Number 2, India's porous borders next to Golden Triangle and Golden Crescent areas have led to the rising menace of drug abuse in India. Discuss the factors that cause youth to fall victims to drug addiction and its socio-economic impacts on their life. Also suggest some measures to tackle this problem. Number 3, explain the main causes and effects of soil erosion in Northeast India as well as prevention of soil erosion techniques. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you tomorrow again with another session of the newspaper analysis. Till then, take care and keep learning and keep educating yourself. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.